If you've ever updated your phone number on Instagram and want to check when those changes happened, this quick guide will show you exactly how to find that info. Start by opening the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged in to the right account, then head to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. From the list of options that appears, tap on Your Activity. This section stores a detailed log of your actions on Instagram, including profile edits and changes to your personal information. Scroll down and tap on Account History. Here, you'll find a timeline of every change made to your account, like username, bio, email address, and of course, phone number updates. To narrow down the list, tap Filter by Update Type at the top of the screen. When the filter menu opens, select Phone and then tap Apply. This will show only the times you've changed your phone number along with the exact dates. You now know how to view your phone number change history directly in the Instagram app. If this helped you out, feel free to like, subscribe, or stick around for more.